Hopefully you cannot listen to the music that is playing outside. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you all today products that I have emptied and what I have replaced them with. I love doing this type of video just to showcase products that I have used. Did I love them? Did I hate them? And two, probably new products that I'm testing for you as well. I will link my video to the last edition, to the latest edition of products I have emptied and what I have replaced them with up above in case you are interested in watching the last edition. I emptied a product that I mentioned in that last video, the Peach and Lily Ginger Melt Oil Cleanser. This dissolves, clarifies, and cleanses. This contains ginger and pineapple enzymes. I really enjoyed this. This removed makeup easily, effortlessly, without drying or stripping the skin. This melted away mascara, the day's face, easily. I did not detect a scent. No scent to this. I could potentially say that this is fragrance free, but I really enjoyed this, and this was a lot to get through. I would, of course, use this to remove my makeup, first step of the nighttime skincare routine, and I would use 2 pumps of this. What I have replaced it with is something I hope to empty soon. Almost empty. It is the Benefit the Professional Get Unblocked Pore Clearing Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. I use 2 pumps of this as well. It does a really good job at removing makeup and even that waterproof mascara. I don't really wear loads of eye makeup other than mascara, but this melts away dirt, oil, makeup, visibly unclogs, unblocks, and clears out pores. Contains grapeseed, jojoba seed oil, and avocado oils to help nourish and condition. This doesn't dry or strip my skin. As far as the pore claim here, I'm not sure if that's necessarily true. I did recently review the Bora Barrier Repair Cream. I will link my review to that up above. And this did, I would say, kind of congest my T-zone a wee bit more, but I don't think that this decongested the T-zone as much as I would think. However, the rest of the complexion wasn't congested, so maybe there is some truth to that claim. Another product that I emptied is the Josie Maran Pineapple Enzyme Pore Clearing Cleanser. I loved this so much. I use this morning and evening, sometimes as a second cleanse, but I would use this during the morning time to remove my sunscreen, sweat, grime, debris from a morning workout. This lathered nicely. This did have a faint kind of pineapple-y type of scent. It was just a nice lightweight lather. I would say a gentle cleanser. And what I have emptied it with is the Vetted Derm Lab Cleanser. This packaging here is just so cool, and it's actual glass. I did drop it today and it didn't break, so great news there. This lathers a little bit more than the Josie Maran formula, and I do not detect a scent with this. Currently, I have been using this morning and evening as well. Morning time, again, to remove my sunscreen, post-workout, as a second cleanse at night. If I am feeling a little bit drier, dehydrated, I will use the Osea creamy cleanser. I'll put a picture up here just because I don't want to get up and grab it. Another product I emptied is the Glow Recipe Finally Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Hydrating Toner. That is a huge unit to empty, and I'm glad I did. After my test, I will link my review to this product up above for you. During the test, this had, I would say, pore tightening properties, but After that test, I felt like this was more hydrating than anything else, which is why it became my hydrating toner of choice. What I have replaced it with is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner Pride Edition. I think they sent this over 2023, like June 2023. So I'm glad to give this unit a go. I will be using this primarily at night, and during the day what I will be using is the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 6% Mandelic Acid and 2% Lactic Acid Liquid Exfoliant. This is new, and this is something I am testing for you all. So do stay tuned for a review on this, I would say around February. This improves sun damage, dullness, fine lines, reverses a compromised skin barrier, and is gentle and effective on all skin types and tones. Review, this does have a scent, so do be warned if this is in your cart currently. A product from Paula's Choice that I emptied during the winter here is the Paula's Choice 25% vitamin C and glutathione clinical serum. I'll link my review to that up above. Oh my god, I loved this. This is a vitamin C derivative, and it had more of like a creamy serum type of feel. I loved it for daytime use. I would use 2 pumps of this during the day. Face, neck, and décolleté. This does, however, have a very light Nair-like scent. So if you are sensitive to scents, just stay away from this. They do have a mini size as well in case you want to dip your toes in there, but do be warned, this does have a scent to it. It is not fragranced. I liked how gentle this was. It wasn't irritating. Sometimes I do want to take a break from L-ascorbic acid. I do want to take a break from that hot dog water-like serum. So this was just a nice break from, you know, that hot dog water like vitamin C serum. I would say that this gave me hydrated skin. This did give me a light radiance to the skin, and I did get some compliments when I was using this for about 2 to 3 months. I have replaced it with the May Love, the Glow Maker Antioxidant Serum. This is a review that I'm working on. I am, however, still using the C&E Ferulic Combo Antioxidant Serum. I am using this on this side of the face, and I am using the Glow Maker on this side of the face. So I guess this is supposed to be a dupe for this really expensive vitamin C serum. So stay tuned for that review. Just know that I replaced the Paula's Choice with these 2, and I am wearing them on the skin today. Let me know if you spot a difference under the makeup. C&E Ferulic here on the left, the Glow Maker here on the right. Sunscreen, I finally emptied the Lancer Mineral Sunshield Universal Tint SPF 30. This was my morning workout sunscreen. I work out in front of a window, so I always wear a sunscreen. This, during the summertime, felt really thick, and I always needed to go in with kind of like a lathery serum to really feel like it was removed from my skin. During the cooler, drier, wintry months, this felt just nice over the skin. This did have a bit of a tint to it, and I am so glad I used it right before its expiration date, 04/2024. Yeah, it just felt nice. Have replaced it with something I don't like to wear under makeup, and I don't like to wear outside, which is why I'm wearing it inside and when I'm working out in front of a big window here. It is the Drunk Elephant Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense. Please do not judge the packaging here. She's filthy. And this is a thick sunscreen that is perfect for these drier, colder California winter months. But this does leave a white cast on my medium toned skin, but just the right amount of moisture for these dry, cold months. Hopefully I can empty this by using it during the morning time. Now here's something I kind of used on my body just so that it wouldn't go to waste. It's the Peter Thomas Roth Pro Strength Vitamin A, C, and E Retinoid Treatment. I don't really have a replacement for this since I did not finish this on the complexion, but I just wanted to let you know that I emptied it. This was my favorite mascara of 2023, and it is the Benefit Fan Best. I think I used the last bit of it today. I love everything about this. The packaging, I love. The formula, I love. What is this? I am blanking out on the word. The applicator here with the natural bristles, my favorite. I laminate my lashes. I feel like it's the only way that my lashes can actually hold a curl. But I laminate my lashes at least every 2 to 2.5 months. And just look at how cool my lashes look with this formula. I love it for the top lash. I love it for the bottom lash. I feel like it lengthens and it separates. It may look a little clumpy when you first start using it, but towards the butt end of this tube, it just looks amazing. So Benefit very generously sent this over as part of PR for me to try, and they also sent over a replenishment here. I am just obsessed with Fan Fest. 24-hour full fan effect, smudge proof, water resistant. I will say that this also does not smudge or flake at the end of the day. And y'all know I am an esthetician. I work in front of a steamer like all day, every day. And I have never had any issues with the FanFest mascara by Benefit. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And I did go over another unit of this in my last empties video, but I emptied another unit of the Salt Air Santal Bloom Rejuvenating Serum Body Wash. I love the smell of this, and I replaced it with another unit of the Santal Bloom Skin Rejuvenating Serum Body Wash. Please ignore our pump here. I buy the unit without the pump so that they don't have to send a new pump over, so I just replace it. But I love the scent. I'm a Santal Bloom kind of gal right now. I like how it lathers over the skin. My boyfriend just doesn't like the lather, but we're still using it. And I guess we go through this so fast because we both use it. Another body product that I emptied is the Fur KP Body Scrub Powerful and Exfoliating. This targets keratosis pilaris, roughness, and bumps for a total overhaul with 14% AHAs. This non-stripping dual-action body exfoliant combines the benefits of microdermabrasion and chemical exfoliation for complete skin resurfacing. This is definitely not stripping at all. You want to use this 2 to 3 times a week to combat existing skin concerns. I don't think I use this 2 to 3 times a week. If anything, I just use it 2 times a week. And I really liked it. I did replace it with the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA. This is safe for sensitive skin. So this is a higher percentage of AHA, and this is lower, which I guess that's how it's suited for sensitive skin. I will say that formula-wise, this feels drier and there are more polishing beads within this formula. This feels like there's less polishing beads, but I guess more of a chemical exfoliation. And this is not as dry a formula as this. I will continue to try this. I will say that my skin felt smoother when I used this. And again, it has a lot to do with the fact that there are just more physical exfoliants included within this formula. I'm not sure which one I like the best just yet, but I'm leaning towards this just because physically, I could just immediately note how much softer my skin felt after I used this. Have you used any of these? If so, let me know how you feel, because I might agree or disagree with you. Let's see, there's more in this, and this is probably a little bit less expensive. I feel like Fur, I enjoy their packaging as well. Their marketing is beautiful and stunning. And I feel like it's essential right now to be exfoliating your body in case you feel like your moisturizers aren't moisturizing. Sometimes you've just got a lot of dead cellular debris sitting over top that's not allowing the moisture to really get in there. Okay, so that is all I have for today's video. Let me know what you have emptied so far during the winter months. I am going to try and film one of these videos every 2 months just because I feel like I am really using up product and I need to keep you updated just so that you know what I'm using, what I'm loving, and what I'm testing for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a like if you learned something new today. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bacon, or what is that? Hot, full fan fest, full 24-hour full fan